oh my God, Happy New Year. It's 2018. I cannot believe it already. It's what, day 3 of the new year. I hope you guys are having an amazing start to your new year. I am. I've had a few like little weird things happen, but nothing that's just like, oh my God, throw 2018 away. No, I am definitely just optimistic about this year. I don't know why. All I know is that I just feel like this year is just gonna be amazing, you know. Before I get started talking about my hair, what are some of your goals? Like, leave them listed down below. And honestly, like, I ask you guys this question all the time in videos, but honestly, like, this is a fresh start for me. Not necessarily just starting over, but I want to be consistent. And I know prior to this year, I always offered excuses, and I don't want to do that this year. I want to be consistent. I want to have a consistent upload. I want you guys to know that on Tuesdays, I'm going to upload, or on Thursdays you can expect a video. You know, I want that consistency. Let me know down below. Help me help you. Let me know down below what videos that you would like to see in this new year. Let me know if it's makeup tutorials. Let me know if it's natural hair tutorials. Be specific. You can give me specific videos or specific makeup videos that you like to see. Just let me know down below. Let me know if you like to see challenges. I can bring some of my best friends. I believe like me and my best friends will definitely have you dying. Like, you guys have already met Jasmine. There is a new addition to my, I guess, friend clan. So if you follow me on Snap, you've probably already seen him. But just let me know if you guys are up to challenges. I could definitely bring them on for that. It doesn't matter. Just let me know what you'd like to see. Like I said, help me help you. Let me know what you'd like to see listed down below. Please, like, I'm begging you guys. Like, I'm trying to sit down. I'm trying to write a schedule. I'm trying to really be consistent and just have a constant flow of videos coming to you guys this year. So yeah, I have a few goals. Let me know what your goals are for this year. Maybe your goals can help other people realize that, man, I need to do that as well. Let me know down below. So yeah, on to what this video is about. I have been wearing braids for like the past two weeks. Yeah. So after this video, I'm literally going in my bathroom and I'll probably be taking them out of my hair. So I have been wearing braids for about 2 weeks. When I tell you this was the easiest install that I've ever done. I've worn crochets, I believe, twice before. I've done the Havana twist. I'll leave that video listed down below just because I want you guys to reference how I did my braid pattern. I did think that it was going to be repetitive for me to keep doing it, but I will link that video listed down below so that you guys can know how I achieved my braid pattern. All I did was leave out the edges from ear to ear and then just continue with that same braid pattern. But the hair that I am wearing is just Crochet Box Braids, and this video is actually sponsored by Sam's Beauty. It's like an online beauty supply store. It has everything from wigs to box braids to what else? I believe they just sell regular like beauty supply store hair, like you know, like glue-in hair, you know? You guys, I know it's not like a Chicago thing. Like the glue-in, y'all know what I'm talking about. I believe they sell that type of hair. I know they sell like the Havana twist. I know they sell just like the regular Senegalese twist. They have everything on there, and it's perfect for those who may live in areas where, let's just be honest, they don't have black beauty supply stores. Sally's isn't a black beauty supply store. Just being honest, it's not. So this is perfect for you guys who may not be around an area that does have a regular, you know, black beauty supply store. So yeah, enough of that. I don't know why this light is like glaring down on my edges and it's making it look white, but my edges are not white. I don't know why it's doing that, but whatever. We're just gonna keep going with the video. So they were kind enough to send me over 7 packs of hair. I actually used all of the packs except for maybe like 6 braids in one of the packs. So 7 packs definitely was enough for me. There were some spaces in my hair where I was like, I could have used a few more braids, but it definitely wasn't like see-through or anything like that. Like, you didn't get that whole like, oh man, you need more hair in your hair. Like, it's definitely full. So this is how it's looking. So yeah, that's how the hair looks. What else? I got my hair in a 2. In the front, I use Xpression hair, and the Xpression hair that I have, I'll show you the packages and everything of the brands that I use. All I did was feather the hair. You can also get hair that's already feathered at the end so that you guys don't have to go through that process. I'm not sure if Sam's Beauty have the hair that's already feathered, or I probably would have gotten it. And maybe I overlooked it, but check there first before you have to figure out whether or not. But if they don't and you don't have a beauty supply store next to you, just Google how to like feather the ends, or not Google, YouTube how to feather ends, and it's quite simple, and yeah, it's super easy. So yeah, the hair came super quick. I had no problems with that. I love this. Like, this is definitely going to be a go-to for me. This is definitely going to be a go-to for me, because I love the way, like, I have gotten so many compliments on this, on me wearing my hair like this. I've gotten so many people asking me like, oh my god, where did you go get your hair done? I did it myself. Ding. But yeah, I did it myself. It only took about 2, maybe 2.5 hours. Once I got past just like the actual crocheting part in my hair, it was a breeze. I had no problem. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's super quick, it's super simple. Like I said, I'll leave listed down below the video on how I do my braid pattern. Please check out Sam's Beauty. I'll leave all of their information listed down below as well. I hope you guys are having a wonderful new year. Don't forget to leave other suggestions of videos that you'd like to see down below. Please leave suggestions, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. Okay, so this is the completed look. All I did was just take my hair and just put it in like this little bun thing and just let the ends kind of like flare out like that. Like, I know you guys like used to see people wear their hair like this all the time back in the day, but I like it like this. I've been getting a lot of compliments with my hair like this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check Sam's Beauty out. I'll have all that information listed down below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Happy New Year.